Greetings and salutations YouTube, it's Hadrian here. Welcome to a new video. How's everyone doing today? Hope you guys are all doing fantastic. I'm here today with a pretty good haul video that I'm super excited to share with you guys. But if you guys love thrifting, you love thrift hauls, and you love vlogs, do not forget to subscribe. I am also doing Vlogmas. Hit the little bell button to be notified when new videos do go up. Add me on Instagram. It's Hadrian, just like it's spelled here. And check out my shop at itsHadrian.com to see what I have for sale from my thrifting adventures. And a couple of these items I think might actually make it onto the site as well. But without further ado, let's get into this haul because I got some really great stuff. So this is actually going to be a combination of two thrifting trips, but it's to the same store, and I'm going to have those two trips linked right there and down below in the description box as well. But I got some pretty awesome stuff. Okay, let me start off with this thing because I thought this was really cool, and I have actually been wanting these for like a hot minute, ever since I saw them at the thrift store. And I actually really liked them when I saw these at Target. So these are planter stands. Plant stand with galvanized tray from Smith and Hawkins. So these are for decorative use only, not for food, not for food use and not toy. These are awesome because you can actually put these outside. And I have been looking for something like this to put outside, and very, very excited. I wish I kind of had a third one, so I'm just gonna keep an eye out. The first time I saw these, they were at just like the other regular Goodwills, because I did find these at Goodwill Boutique. It's called Rare. If you guys have not been there, it's amazing. You guys should check it out. Tell them Hadrian sent you, and they'll let you know where all the cool stuff is. But, so these were so cool. I was so excited. They were only $10. Which is crazy because normally at the boutiques, items are a little bit more expensive than the regular store, but then at the regular store they were priced at $30. So I was like, ay caramba, why are they only $10 here but $30 over there? And I don't know where I got this accent. But yeah, so I don't know if I should just like suck it up and get one for $30 or just like stick to my guns and just wait. But I think I'm just gonna wait, or at least wait to see if I can get those for half off if they ever go on sale. If they make it that long at the store, then I will definitely scoop them up because I mean $5 more isn't too much further from $10. So plus it'll be for like the third one. It'll be all good. So I got two of these guys. I'm very excited about that. I already know where I'm gonna put them. Outside. But I have like two plants in mind that I want to use them for. They're kind of like more drapey plants, and like right now I kind of have them like on the floor. They're kind of like draping on the floor, so you don't want them to be draping on the floor. You want them to like cascade beautifully off of something like a little taller, you know? So very, very excited about these planters. They are gorgeous. Then I also got this Roblox toy, which is awesome for the kids because the kids that love Roblox, it's one of their favorite games on the computer. This is like not my generation of games, so I have no clue what this is. I don't know what a Roblox is. For the longest time, I honestly thought it was called Roadblocks and that it was like some sort of car game. Clearly, I'm wrong. And I actually like did see what the game was, and I was like, oh, that is nothing like what I thought it was. I thought it was like a racing game. I thought it was like Mario Kart or like I don't know, Gran Turismo or something of that nature. But I was wrong, which is totally fine. I kind of like want to do like okay, let's do this. We'll do like more home goods first. So I got 10 of these plates. I actually put these on Instagram to see what you guys thought about them and to see whether or not I should get them. I want to pull up this thing to see what it actually ended at. Oh, okay, so 81% of you guys, 81 said yes, 19% said no. These plates are so gorgeous, and it's funny because some people are like, those look like old lady plates, and I'm like, I think they look like they're from Anthropologie. And I am like, for those of you who are not like too familiar with me, I'm like an old lady on the inside. I really like floral, I don't know, like I like floral things, I like gold. I'm like, I don't know what is up with me, but for like, it makes sense if someone thought that this was like an old lady's like China set, because that is totally me, an old lady loving this China set. So it's by a brand called Ainsley, Fine English Bone China. The collection is called Golden Crocus. And I thought this was so gorgeous. It's very reminiscent of like a flower shape. I love like the scalloping. I love the gold edging. I love everything about it. And I have been looking for a plate like this. Like I always talk about looking for like a white plate with kind of like a scalloped kind of like edge with like gold edges. And this is the plate that I've been looking for. So excited. Okay, so this, I got 10 of these. And the amazing thing was that for the 10 of them, it was only $9.99. So each one was like $1, which is crazy. Because again, just like the plant stands, if you bought this at like the regular store, they'd probably be at least $1.99. So I made out on these for sure because I saved like another 10 bucks. Amazing. So, and these are like brand new. They literally had like these little like things in between them, the little like styrofoamy things, and they're like turning yellow from age, which means that I love it because it's old. But it's so cool. I really like them. Again, I don't actually know how old these are. They could be brand new from like last month. But they're beautiful. I did look them up online. I think they were like $38 per dinner plate at replacements.com. So I was like, whoa, like that's awesome. But like, you know, like it's just cool to know like how much like the value of things are like that when you find them at the thrift store for $1 a piece. But I'm probably never gonna sell these because I literally love them so much. I'm already calling them my spring plates. These are my plates that I'm gonna be using for spring because the plates I thought I was gonna be using for spring actually turned out being my Thanksgiving plates. So there you go. And for people that ask what I do with all these plates, I hoard them. No, I'm just kidding. Oh, well, kind of. I do like keep them because I like to change out my plates. My mom likes to have a lot of like kind of like dinner party type things. Even if it's just us. There's like so many of us just like living in this house and we have like little dinner parties, like just us, like, or just like invite some of the neighbors. So I think it's always really fun and it's cool to like have different plates and stuff, and when people come over, it's just like, oh, look at these plates, look at the food, everything's so delicious, everything's so pretty, and it's like, it's fun. I don't know, I like it, right? And when you think about it, when you buy, so many people buy disposable plates. Let me tell you, like, so many people I know buy disposable plates. It's like, how much are you gonna pay for that giant thing of disposable plates that are just going to go into the trash once they're done? Whereas these, I can use these for like ever, as long as they don't break. So, right? Like, if you think in that way, like, $10 per dinner party is actually not that bad when you like think about how much you're going to use these, but that's just me. And also, once I get tired of like certain things, or if I no longer like something, or I find something cool to replace it, I send them to my family in the Philippines, because plates in the Philippines, I don't know why they are so expensive. If anyone knows why plates in the Philippines are so expensive, let me know. But they're always very excited to receive like dinnerware and stuff like that, plates, bowls and all that. So I'm always like, so I'm just gonna buy them and send them over if I don't like them. And sometimes I buy them just specifically to send to them, or I'll buy them with the intention of using them for just like a few months until I send like a box, and then that just goes to the Philippines. So awesome, everyone wins, right? Like, it's awesome. I love it. Okay, so that's enough talking about the plates. I don't know how I can talk about the plates for. The next thing I have here, which I thought was really cool, is the Nintendo Switch AC adapter. This was $7.99. I was like, well, the kids have a Nintendo Switch, they can have another plug. And that's pretty much what that is. Now they can, because like the plug that they have right now is the one that like goes into the wall, like it has like the stand charger thing. So if they're like traveling or like we're out or whatever and they want to like, not that like we go out so much with the kids with their Nintendo Switch, but I mean, now we can. Yay. Ooh, okay, now this, okay, this is actually a gift for Dad for Christmas. This is one of, like, I'm like doing like a lot of like thrifted gifts this year, like on top of just like regular gifts, like from the store or whatever. But I've been trying to get like most of my gifts from the thrift store. I just think that it's so cool, and like everything tells like such a cool story. Plus, I wouldn't have no clue where to even buy something like this. So, check out these butterflies. They are so pretty, especially this one. It's like iridescent. Like, how cool is that? Like, I could put it inside the coffee table behind me, because it's like a glass coffee table that you can put stuff inside of, or put it on top of a stack of books, or put it on the wall. Like, I just think it's really, really pretty. and it's really gorgeous. This was $7.99, and I know Dad's really gonna like it because I did get him like this. It's like a butterfly like wall art thing, and it has like a bunch of different butterflies with their names, stuff like with their scientific names, and he has it like hanging up in his office. So that's really nice. He really liked it a lot, and I like this kind of stuff too. And I'm gonna like be like, Dad, you should just use this inside the house. You should put it in the library. And he'll be like, yeah, let's do that. So that's really fun, right? That's so cute. I love Dad. Okay, the next thing we have here that I am very excited about. Now I got these from the OC Goodwill Boutique, and I believe this one is in Tustin for anyone that wants to go there. It's called the OC Goodwill Boutique in Tustin. I think there's only one. So just Google it, you can find it, it'll pop up. But I got these really cute Todd's shoes. And these are a woman 37.5. They're so cute. I don't think they're gonna fit Mom, which I'm pretty sad about because I think she would absolutely love these shoes. They were only $7. So they were an amazing deal, and they are in fantastic condition, and they are like navy suede. They're so cute, and like the blue and white, what are they called? Shoestrings with like the silver aglets. Perfect. I love how I couldn't remember a shoestring, but I can remember aglets. What's wrong with me? You know, it's really that Phineas and Ferb song from the Disney Channel. A-G-L-E-T, don't forget it. Oh, let me show you guys this first, before I show you like my favorite thing that I like, one of my like holy grail finds. Okay, these are, okay, oh, let me show you guys this. Oh my gosh, I totally forgot that I even got this. I just got like this Lacoste shirt. I just thought this was really nice. It's in navy. This was $5.99, but I believe the shirts, men's t-shirts were like 25% off. So I got this on sale. Love it. It's just like nice and navy, and I like the fabric on it. It's like a little thicker for the winter time. So now for my two, like, oh wait. Also, I forgot to show you guys this. How can I forget this? This is another thing that I'm gonna give Dad for Christmas, and it's really funny. Like, we kind of like a lot of like the same kind of like things that are kind of like this, but I found like this really cool amethyst crystal thing, and this one was $7.99. And this is so stinking pretty. Like, it's beautiful, and I have found these in the past, and I actually have one, but the crystals are not as big. Like, this crystal is so chunky, right? Like, the crystals are very like, they're gorgeous. So I was very excited. So I'm excited that I found like 2 presents for Dad at that store for Christmas. I cannot wait to wrap them up. It's gonna be fantastic. Okay, so this one, this was very exciting for me. This was like a definite holy grail, OMG, what did I just find? This is amazing find. And I put this also on Instagram, so if you guys follow me, you probably would have seen that on there already because I just went crazy when I found these. But I found these Gucci loafers in brown suede with silver hardware. And these are so cool. I love them. They look barely worn. I think they were donated because they got dirty. Like, they spilled something on it, but I think I can clean that off pretty easily. But like, look at the bottoms on these. Like, they look barely worn. So I'm definitely gonna do a video on how to repair these. And I think it's gonna be fantastic. It's gonna be fantastic. So excited. Yeah, so cool. These Gucci loafers, and they are also like a size 10, which like fit me perfectly. These were $25. Can you believe that? What a great price. Okay, so these also, like, these are another like holy grail. OMG, how did I find this? Thank you, like, everyone and everything. These are so cool. But I have been on the hunt like for Tiffany crystal for so long, and lo and behold, I found these 2 Tiffany crystal candlestick holders that they are so gorgeous. And they say Tiffany & Co. They're like etched on the bottom. They're $14.99 for the pair. Like, at first I thought it was $14.99 for one, and then I read it. Like, I looked at the other one and it said pair. So for the 2 of these, $14.99. So each one was $7.50. so cool. They are so beautiful. I cannot wait to like wash them up because they're a little dusty, and I'm gonna put them on the dining table because they are so gorgeous. They need like a place of honor, these candlestick holders. So I'm very excited. I cannot wait to find more Tiffany's now. Like, I'm on the hunt. I have literally been looking at all the glassware, everything. And it's crazy because the first Tiffany's thing that I found at the thrift store was a Tiffany's serving platter. It was like a medium-sized blue platter, Tiffany's. And then I found another platter, but it was cracked, so I didn't get that. And the other, I think it was in the shape of a leaf, and that was like a few months ago. And then recently I've been finding a lot of Tiffany's rings for some reason. I've found 1, 2, 3, I think 4 so far. And this is my first Tiffany's crystal, so very excited. Oh, and I did find that Tiffany's bracelet. No, necklace. It was a choker, but I wear it as a bracelet sometimes. Which I kind of misplaced and can't find it, but I found it inside of like a secret pocket inside of a bag once that I purchased, so that was really, really cool. But I am so excited over this. Okay, like I don't even know. Like this was a pretty good haul. Taz, the Gucci, the butterflies, the crystal, the stand, the plates, so much good stuff. But I'm so excited. I love you guys so much again. Thank you guys again so much for hanging out with me today and checking out all my cool finds. I love sharing this stuff with you, and it makes me so happy that you guys have been so receptive to the videos. And I feel like we're creating like this really cool little like community of thrifters, and just being able to share knowledge, being able to talk to each other and like encourage each other and all that stuff, I think is like priceless. So thank you guys again for helping like me do any of this, because I wouldn't be here without you guys. So thank you guys again for that. I love you guys so much. I hope you guys are having a beautiful December. I hope you guys are having like I know I feel like a lot of people have been stressed recently. I don't know why they are like stressing like during this holiday season. I feel like a lot of people like out, like when I go out, like they're just like a little crazy. Remember, like, it's the holiday season. That's all I can say. Just like, don't let the gifts and stuff stress you out. I mean, like, it's easier to just be happy than to just like stress out about little things. So I'm always like, just like take a step back and just like breathe and just, you know, I don't know. Am I just going crazy? I don't even know what I'm talking about anymore. But I love you guys so much. Don't forget to check out Vlogmas if you guys want to see that. Mom and I have just been having a fun time in the kitchen. I've been having a fun time eating what Mom has been making, and it's just so much fun. So don't forget to check that out if you guys want to see that. And add Mom too on Instagram. itsHadrian's mom. She's gonna be linked down below in the description box. I was telling John, I was like, John, you should make you should change your name on Instagram to like itsHadrian's brother, John. He is mad. But anyway, I love you guys so much. You guys truly are so amazing. You mean the world to me. And happy thrifting, happy Christmas, happy holidays, happy day. Love you guys so much. I'll see you guys all later. Bye. Let's see what we have here today. This Kuba. You have to be careful about Kuba bags, because certain styles are actually from Target, and I feel like the quality isn't as good, and there's, I don't know, like they're still pretty nice, like the leathers are soft, but the full, like when you buy like the Kuba bags from the regular store, they just feel so much nicer for some reason.